Hello everyone, welcome back to the session of English. In this session, we are going to continue with our chapter synonyms. That is same meaning word. This is part 4. In this session, we are going to discuss some MCQs related to synonyms. We have already learned the concept of synonyms. We have learned many words, their synonyms and their usage in the sentence. In this session, we are going to practice synonyms. We will discuss some questions that you can also see in your exam when you are going to take it. So let's begin the session. The first question is, what is the synonym for the word calm? Now there is a word calm. We have to tell the same meaning word of this particular word or the synonym. Synonym means same meaning word. Now we have the options anxious, relaxed, restless and agitated. Now the word calm refers to when someone is in peace. So calm means peace, quietness, silence. Now, if I go with the options, first is anxious. Anxious means worried. But calm means peace, so it cannot be the synonym of this particular word. Relaxed means when someone is in relaxed mode, when someone takes rest, when someone is relaxed, free of tension. So we can say free of tension and fine. Sound mind. Restless, when someone is not feeling good, someone is feeling restless, it means maybe he is agitated, maybe he is irritated, maybe he is frustrated, maybe he is not in a relaxed mode. He has no peace at all. Agitated again means restless, or you can say irritated. Now, if I look at the word carefully, calm. Calm means peace. So this word relates to the word relaxed. It means the synonym of this particular word will be relaxed. So relaxed is absolutely correct answer. So our answer is B, that is relaxed. This is the correct synonym of this particular word calm. Now let us move to the next question. Choose a synonym for fearless. Now this word is fear then less. It means one who has no fear at all. Fear means when we are afraid of something, and less means less makes this word opposite of the word fear. So fearless means when one person has no fear at all. It means that person is valiant, courageous, brave. Now let us see the options. We have brave in the option, timid, scared, nervous. Now scared is the synonym of afraid, or you can say frightened. So scared cannot be the synonym of this particular word because fearless means one who is not afraid of anything. So this can be the antonym, not the synonym of this particular word. Nervous, again, one who is not feeling fine, he is nervous. So it also can be the antonym but not the synonym. The word timid is the actual synonym of this word fearless. Timid again means when someone is weak, when someone is shy, or when someone is nervous. So this can also be the antonym. So these can be the antonyms of this particular word. But the synonym is only one, that is brave. So our answer is A, that is brave. We can also have some more synonyms of this particular word like valiant, courageous. So these are the synonyms of this particular word. Now let us move to the next one. Which word is a synonym for word vivid? Now we have a word vivid. Vivid means when something is clear. When something appears to us clearly, that is known as vivid. Now let us see the options. We have the word faded, we have the word bright, pale, dull. Now we have to tell the synonym of this particular word. Synonym means same meaning word. Now if something is faded, it means we cannot see it clearly because it is blurred. Pale again, which the color of which is not appearing clearly. Dull again, for example, if a picture is dull, it means it is not clear at all. So the correct synonym of this particular is bright. So vivid means when something is clear, when something we can see clearly, that is vivid. So our answer is B. Rest of the words can be the antonyms but not the synonym of this particular word. So here the correct answer is B. Now let us move to the next one. What is a synonym for the word silent? Now silent means quiet. Now let us see the options. Noisy, quiet, chatty, loud. Noisy means when someone makes a lot of noise. Chatty means when someone chatters a lot or when someone talks a lot. Loud means when something is in a loud voice or the voice of which the pitch is high. That is loud. So, as I told you that silent means quiet. So, here we can see the option B, quiet. So, our answer is B. Now, if we talk about other options that can be the antonyms of this particular word, those can be the antonyms of this particular word, but not the synonyms. Now, let us move to the next one. Select the synonym for eccentric. Now, eccentric refers to when something or when someone focuses on himself only, when someone is self-centered. Now, we have options like ordinary, strange, common, typical. So, this word eccentric means when something is strange. It is not ordinary. It is not like all people, all the normal people. Eccentric means one who is self-centered, one who thinks about himself only. When something is strange, uncanny. So these can be the synonyms of this particular word. So our answer is B. So rest of the words ordinary, common. Now ordinary is the synonym of common and typical also. So these can be the antonyms of this particular word. Now let us move to the next one. Expand. We have to tell the synonym of expand. Now this word expand refers to when something is to be enlarged or when something is to be made large or to extend, when something has to be extended. So that is expand. Now let us see the options. We have to tell the synonym that is the same meaning word of expand. We have the word shrink, reduce, enlarge and decrease. As I told you, expand means to extend something. It means to make something enlarge. So enlarge will be the correct answer. Rest of the options decrease, reduce, shrink. These are the synonyms of themselves only. It means these words can be the antonyms of this particular word expand, whereas the synonym of this particular word will be enlarge. So our answer is C. We use the word shrink for the clothes as well. Like we say, this cloth or this cloth will shrink. So shrink means it will be reduced in its length. Now let us move to the next one. Choose a synonym for the word precise. Precise means when something is specific, when something is briefly explained but it is specific. It means the part which we have discussed or explained is up to the mark or to the point. So let us see the options: accurate, vague, unclear, inaccurate. So the correct answer of precise is accurate. When something is exact like that. So our answer is A. Now one more thing, when we have such options and we don't know the antonym or the synonym of this particular word or the meaning of this particular word, we have to select one option. Now if we look at the options carefully, here it is written accurate and on the other hand it is written inaccurate. So these are opposites in themselves. Now if we see the word vague and unclear, we know well that vague means unclear. It means there are three options which have similar meaning, but one is different. Only one can be the answer, and if we see these two options, these are the opposites of themselves, or these are the options, these are the antonyms of each other. And these two words are similar to this. By this also we can conclude that this option is different or odd one out. So this will be the answer of this word precise. Rest of the words can be the antonym of this particular word. So our answer is A. Now let us move to the next one. Which word is a synonym for admire? Admire means when we like someone, when we respect someone, that refers to admire. Now let us see the options: despise, respect, dislike, or hate. The correct answer is respect. When we respect someone, that is to admire someone. So our answer is B. Rest of the options can be the antonyms of this particular word. Now let us move to the next one. What is a synonym for the word confident? So when we are confident, it means when we have confidence that we can do this thing, when we believe in ourselves. Now let us see the options: hesitant, doubtful, assured, and unsure. So the answer of this particular word will be C, that is assured. That means we are sure that we can do this work. So our answer is C. So this will be the correct answer. Now let us move to the next one. What is the synonym for the word grateful? Now grateful, if we are grateful to someone, it means we want to praise that particular person, we want to thank that particular person, we want to uh, say thanks to that particular person. It means thankful. Rest of the words ungrateful. So ungrateful will be the antonym of this particular word, as we have prefix before it, un, which makes the word opposite. Unappreciative, which cannot be appreciated. Thankless, a deed or a task that doesn't deserve thanks. So our answer is C. Now let us move to the next one. What is the synonym for the word annoying? Annoying means uh, when someone is irritated, when someone is angry. Now let us see the options. Annoying basically refers to a person who is angry, but annoying means this is a present participle also. So we can say when something annoys other, or you can say when something makes others angry. So the words are pleasant, irritating, delightful, enjoyable. So the correct answer will be irritating, because only irritating things make others angry. So our answer is B. Now let us move to the next one. Choose a synonym for the word rigid. Now rigid means when something is tough, or when something is stubborn, not moving. So let us see the options. Flexible. Flexible means which can move here and there, which is agile. Stiff means at one point only, still. Loose means which is not fixed. It also shows fluctuations and movement. Bending, which can be bent. So the correct option for this will be stiff, because all other options we can say that these are movable, whereas a stiff is standstill. So our answer is B. So the correct answer is B. Now let us move to the next one. Which word is a synonym for the word clever? Clever means one who is cunning, one who is very intelligent or wise. Now let us see the options. Stupid, smart, dull, ignorant. So the correct word for this will be smart. So B is correct answer. Answer is B. Rest of the words, that is a stupid means foolish, dull, ignorant. Dull who is not intelligent, ignorant is again a person or a thing which can be ignored, or which ignores the relevant matters. So these can be the options of this particular word. Now let us move to the next one. What is the synonym for the word courageous? Sometime before we have learned a word that is valiant or fearless. So that is also courageous. So brave will be the correct answer. Rest of the words timid, shy, weak. These can be the antonyms of this particular word. So our answer is B. That is brave. Now let us move to the next one. Select the synonym for the word generous. Generous means when someone is kind, when someone is kind-hearted. Now let us see the options. Stingy, selfish, greedy, charitable. So if someone is generous, it means who performs good, so he can be charitable. Greedy refers to an ambitious person or a person who has a greed of food and money. Selfish, one who thinks of himself only. Or selfish means one who thinks of oneself only. Stingy, again, the same word like greedy and selfish. So all other can be the options. All other options can be the antonyms of this particular word. So our answer is D. Now we have a word ancient. Ancient means which is very old. Old or of old time. So let us see the options. Modern, which is new or of new time. Contemporary, of the same time. And recent means latest. So these words can be the antonym of this particular word. Only the word antique can be the synonym of this particular word. So our answer is B. That is antique. Now let us move to the next one. Choose a synonym for the word furious. Now furious means angry. So let us see the options now. Happy, angry, calm, content. So the correct answer is angry. Other words can be the antonym of this particular word. Content means one who is satisfied. So correct answer is B. That is angry. Now let us move to the next one. Which word is a synonym for the word magnificent? Magnificent means when something is magical, when something is big, grand, that is magnificent. Now let us see the options. Average, wonderful, mediocre, and ordinary. So the correct answer is B, that is wonderful. So our answer is B. That is wonderful. Other words, ordinary, average, mediocre, these can be the antonyms of this particular word. Now let us move to the next one. What is the synonym of the word harmony? Harmony means when someone agrees with someone or when someone has peace. So when someone agrees with the other person, it means there is peace. Discord means no agreement at all. Conflict, dispute. Dissonance, again, which is not an agreement. So the correct answer is agreement, that is B. So our answer is B. B is absolutely correct answer. Now let us move to the next one, that is abundant. Abundant means when something is in plenty. It means when something is in huge amount, when something is enough, sufficient, adequate. These can be the synonym of this particular word. Now let us see the options. That is a scarce, plentiful, sparse, and meager. Meager means very low or less. Sparse again refers to when something is less, or scarce when something is in shortage. So shortage of something, when we have shortage of something, when we have few of something or little of something. So the correct answer is plentiful. Plentiful means which is in plenty, which is in a large amount. So our answer is B. B is absolutely correct answer. So the synonym of the word abundant is plentiful. Now let us move to the next one. What is the synonym for the word eloquent? Eloquent means when something is in flow, when something is articulate. For example, we use the word eloquent speech, which is flawless, which is flow, which is in flow. So this will be fluent when something is fluent, fluent speech. So our answer is B. Rest of the words, mute means silent, inarticulate is the opposite of articulate itself. Stuttering again, which has pauses. So the correct answer is fluent, that is B. Rest of the words can be the opposite of this particular word. Now let us move to the next one. What is a synonym for the word exhausted? If I say I'm exhausted, it means I'm tired. So if I look at the options, we have a word tired over here. So our answer is B. That is tired. When we don't feel like to work. Energetic when we have a lot of energy. When we feel enthusiastic. Rested means when we are relaxed. Drained is not a suitable word over here. So the correct answer is B. Now let us move to the next word. We have which word is a synonym for word adore? Adore again refers to when someone respects the other. That is known as adore. So it means to love something, to love someone. Now the word hate, dislike, despise, these can be the antonyms of this particular word because these words are similar in meaning. So adore means love. Rest of the words are the antonyms of this particular word. Our answer is D. Now let us move to the next one. What is the synonym for the word brilliant? Brilliant means extremely intelligent. When someone is very intelligent. Now if we look at the options, it is dull, bright, shiny, gloomy. Gloomy means sad. Shiny means which shines a lot, which has a spark. Bright again means intelligent. Also luminous or the spark. Now dull means which is not shiny or one who has no spark or a person who is not intelligent. So we have two words over here, bright and shiny, that can be the synonyms of the word brilliant, but we have to select only one option. So brilliant means when someone is very intelligent. So bright is the correct answer because shiny refers to when something sparks. It can be an object as well. When something is light, when something is a spark. But bright students refers to when the students are very intelligent. So this word brilliant can be used with a person or for a person. So according to that, B is absolutely correct answer. So our answer is A. Sorry, our answer is B. So our answer is B. B is absolutely correct answer. Now let us move to the next one. Select the synonym for the word cozy. Now cozy refers to when something is comfortable. Now let us see the option. If we see this word over there as well. Yes. Here it is written comfortable in B. So B is absolutely correct answer. Spacious means when something has a lot of space. Uninviting when something is not desirable. Cramped again when something is painful. So our answer is B. So these were some words that we have read over here. These were some questions related to synonyms that we have done in this session. These can help us out in our exams as well. Maybe possible we see these words in our exams as well. I hope you understand how to solve the synonyms. So rest of the synonyms will do in the next session. Thank you very much.